Curls for the girls, honey. Curls for the girls.
When do I look at the camera? When do I look?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia Brittany, and if you didn't know, now you know. Today we are doing a fall hair look tutorial, a nice little cute ponytail. I've done ponytails on my channel before, however this one is a little bit different because it isn't as vigorous, and I've learned that through the times, just different tips and tricks to my ponytails and how I can get them to be laid without frying my hair. If you guys want to see how I was able to achieve this look, be sure to stay tuned and keep on watching.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine, oh. If you're loving every night, you make you mad, oh. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you mine, oh. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night, oh. Think that I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I gon' pay. For your love, I go pay, it ain't making my DJs, I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay, for your love, I go play, make a psycho, make a traffic psycho. If you lazy, I go drive me psycho. If so good, don't want it to be over. Now, baby, and I'll let you like it, come closer. It's the freaking me, I want you. I love everything you do. I do anything for you. I love everything you do. It's the freaking me, I want you.
I wanna fall in love for the weekend. 3 boyfriends, I don't know where I'm sleeping. We be clubbing, thugging, fucking. Order room service when we done, it's a sequence. He know I'm a classy nympho. Give his info, you know what you give for. Till I cuss again, let you up with the key hoe. All this ice on, but he better catch a heat stroke. You got everything that I like. You don't need the movie, you lying. You mix it liquors, you mine. Pull me tight and pull me
closer. It's the freaking me, I wanna show you. It feels so good, don't want it to be over. Now, baby, and I'll let you like it, come closer. It's the freaking me, I want you. I love everything you do. I do anything for you. I love everything you do. It's the freaking me, I want.
When the cookie in my rolls and my Hermes, selling out shoes in my car, cause my flow man, so that ain't tripping if it's rain, cause he came with them first, figure away. I grant him sending Birkins on my birthday. I ain't never met him, he don't even know my birth name. I can know my pics, so I know he like I'm perfect. Crush on the airport, when I'm in the worst way. I just roll the dice on me, slow when the Knicks name. Icy one, ooh la la. Take them A's out them drugs. But then she different, hate the boys. Hold me closer, ooh, so spot.
It's the freaking me, I wanna show you. It feels so good, don't want it to be over. Now, baby, and I'll let you like it, come closer. It's the freaking me, I want you. I love everything you do. I do anything for you. I love everything you do.
Yeah, I do, baby.
It's the freaking me, I want.
Dance slow and she slowly start to popping it. Something like my wrist piece and everybody got to watching it. Girl, you got that secret treasure, I'm gon' put a lock on it. Don't care what they say, I would be stupid to be honest. Heard you got that stick. Let's go and take 9 shots, we'll just call it 50. And I gonna lick it till the hickey. I had that river running, keep you running till you empty. Oh, you look so sweet. What you working balance? Get your physique. Girl, you are a beauty. Well, I am a beast. They must have been tripping to have left me off a leash. I like the way you grind with that booty on me. Shorty, you are down while you're looking lonely. Go buy another round and it's all on me. As long as I'm around, put it down on me. Just put it down on me. Put it down on me. Down on me. Put it down on me. Don't throw it
the hair turned out. I really love this hair. Again, this hair was on sale at my beauty supply store. I'm going to put the direct link right in the description box below how you can purchase this hair, the same exact hair. They had a variety of different colors and wave patterns and lengths and yada yada yada. They had so many different things that you guys can try. Again, I didn't want to put glue in this ponytail, and I wanted to show you guys how you were able to achieve this kind of invisible ponytail without using glue. Doing glue on myself is a little bit harder, especially when I'm trying to do it. However, I did previously do a ponytail on my mom, and it came out really good, and I used the glue. And I was able to do it without getting the glue on myself. And on my natural hair. I just really love the color streaks of blonde in this, and I think it's just very cute and very fall ready. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and leave a comment, as well as check out me on my other socials as well. I'll leave them all linked down in the description box below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.